So Princess Fluffy Duck can fly. She's just flown into the toilet. Yeah. So I had to wash her and dry her off a bit. She's not terribly impressed and she's a bit shaky. Making all these little squealy noises. Step, Arky. Go and step up. Good girl. It's Mum and Dad. Okay, now you okay, Princess? I think you gave yourself a fright. Up you go, Babs. Princess Fluffy Duck is also going to be one of my dwarfs. She weighs 50-something grams and she should be about 80, but she's not. She is skinny, but she's not particularly skinny. She's a little bit skinny, but she's also just little. Pull your wings up then, and if you have a look, hold on to my feet. She's got kind of extra toes. Now see this, the big toe, the middle one, the one that's on the inside. I don't know if you can see it. There's 2 claws on the end of the toe. See how there's 2 claws on the end? She's got actually 2 toes in one skin. And she's got it on both sides. She's a bit cold still. You good girl? I didn't expect you to fly. I didn't expect you to land in the toilet. So she's just over 4 weeks old. Princess Fluffy Duck. Get up there. You're not cold anymore? Good girl. Can you see yourself?